Samsung has launched all of its important products for the second half of the year, except for the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has been in leaks for months now. We know almost everything about it, including its design, but now a new leak exposes the S20 Fan Edition entirely, leaving nothing except for its price. What's up guys, Roland Khan is back again, revealing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition in all its glory. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition will be available in 4G LTE and 5G variants in Europe. The 4G version will have Exynos 990 chipset inside it, whereas the 5G version will get superior Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. This marks the first time in history that Samsung is offering both Exynos and Snapdragon version of a device in the same region. As for storage, so it is said to have 128GB of storage with 6 gigs of RAM. Rounding out the internal package is a large 4500mAh cell with support for 15W fast charging. On the softer side of things, Android 10 and One UI 2.5 is expected straight out of the box, but Samsung's new software policy means updates to Android 11, Android 12, and Android 13 are guaranteed once available. Both the 4G LTE and 5G Galaxy S20 Fan Edition models are identical on the outside. Samsung has chosen a 6.5-inch flat Super AMOLED display complete with a small punch hole for the selfie camera and a full HD Plus resolution. And despite being positioned as a so-called budget flagship, the display on the S20 Fan Edition comes with a massive advantage over the standard Note 20, and that is it supports a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That's indeed gonna be a major selling point for this device. Other display details include Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for added protection and in-display fingerprint scanner. Moving away from the screen and over to the cameras, there is a 32MP front-facing camera with f2.0 aperture. Moving towards the back, we have triple camera setup. The main camera is a 12MP with f1.8 aperture. The report says the sensor is identical to the one found on the Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy S20, meaning it's a flagship-grade camera and will produce some brilliant photos. There is also a 12MP ultra-wide-angle sensor and 8MP 3x telephoto sensor with optical image stabilization. Thanks to the cameras and powerful chipset, Samsung has added 4K video recording to the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition from all the lenses and even from the front. The Galaxy S20 FE is made from plastic, so you won't feel that premiumness like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and it also didn't support wireless charging. It was rumored to make an appearance at Unpacked Part 2, but that didn't happen. Samsung is now expected to introduce the Fan Edition Galaxy S20 in late September. Once that happens, it should be available to purchase in white, blue, orange, red, green, and lavender color options. So many colors with this. There is still no word on pricing yet, but according to some previous rumors, it could retail at $750 or $799. Again, it's just a rumor at this point, so be sure to subscribe for the full coverage and let me know what you think of this beast 120Hz Snapdragon 865. This is indeed the perfect rival to the OnePlus 8T and iPhone 12 Max. Let me know what are your comments, and I'll see you in the next one.